Mame Mao Akwaba and Foumbra Ganesem TVGH so what friend me Adjoa searching.
For sorry, I'm a pastor to Radio Juma Editoro Radio Juma Editoro NA Radio Juma Editoro NA Nipa no ni ho journalist no Editoro the Juma for sorry, I'm a pastor to Radio Juma Editoro Radio Juma Editoro NA Radio Juma Editoro NA Nipa no ni ho journalist no Editoro the Juma
Sir Asem kesiye abeto wa mayen. Na say as politics goes. Yeso ye to me a reciprocate. Na ye bo NDC fu echi. Na ye chere Ghana for say omo de na da na beji abenua no. Ene NPP for nya positive news ba ko ba. Na Rampojani Italian mafia no aba onu kwa ne wosika obe say bibia ena no metime baby sebio sebe ebra Kennedy Japan eye na dwene se oberane no yante se obi akodi Kennedy atemu your papa Brian Champon, he is doing it the right way, and today I must be frank to you. Should me papa ba omi awie ni 8 years na say obi fufuro bi beko biwa. I'm starting from today. I'll be Brian Champon. I don't care who is coming. Because he's doing it the right way. And I will show you cannot, you might dislike him. I don't care. Ebia, Brian, I will be I won't pay. That's fine. But I'm showing you the reasons why I'm saying this. You see? Presidency is not something you go to bed today and wake up tomorrow and say, I want to become president, so make me president. Maybe. It is an office you grow into. And that is why even the vice president, MPP and this name would Jimino. And as the vice president, even those or two, say president now manage Juma one yeshi. If the president does not give him directions, if the president does not leave the jurisdiction, he can't do anything. So it is a position you grow your mind, you grow your arsenals, and develop them to be able to create a winning team. What has Brian Champon done that I like? Brian Champon has supported every NPP candidate we have brought. And the Brebia do. Ophelia said, this time, I want to get into the ring. Deep down in Brian Champon's heart, on him said there are other people on my market, including Kennedy, crouching on Brian Champon. But ordinary mo be den e be kire or kire MPP for say hey MPP dachi bi no samu po bi adi mani ma hwe me pesa me ba o Brian Champon me pesa me ba. You know what that tells you about that guy? He's an honest guy. And for those Baumia people, don't be afraid. Today I'm telling you, Brian is more Baumia than anybody in the MPP. Me will be Mekatro bin chair on the background. Utie. Your corporate we you will see a Juma Brian Champon, ebe just like Oye in the last year, no. A Juma obeye, assign the Aden, assign the Ama, say the MPP abain. But wama we I will not junimu say, Minya meya den, number. Entimo share candidate na, eya mon share me kakra. Na idea bi a abeye unique about Brian Champon candidate and say, also the new dynamics bi abem. O say Baumia say yeah election na come use broken English kura ote. Election na ma me who say oh sana amla Baumia ti broken English o me say na okosia street boys now try so no mu ye yo kakra eja ya papa de nim so no nya ne line no e de classroom. But Brian Champon is speaking to the LS in their dialect. He's speaking to accounts. He's speaking street language that we smokers know. That is a leader. Brian Champon and Kote baby. Hey, Nana Akufo-Addo say, Brian Champon, I need you to be national security. I say, yes, sir, I will serve. Brian Champon, I need you to be an MP. Yes, I will serve. Brian Champon, I need you to go to, I'm like a Greek. Yes, sir, I will serve. I have money, sir. I'm a rich billionaire, but I will serve. Because what I know, he said, if you don't serve, you can't lead. So I, Brian Champon, I will serve. Papa be say, young MPP in our man, na on two. Non fan ko tena ascend on pen. Non fan ye di ope. Na say yam fa say ki na man na two MPP mu a fan ko ascend on pen dia obegu party. Your friend say one mayor deputy minister keke. Me see can ni brain to was one pe abona for mu di na chi no. Na me be tietia mu di na aka mako. Sa confusion na mo pese ba MPP mu no. Kenya de chitafo ade we koma mu. Say Isaac Jacob na me na me sum no de bia no. Sa wote ase a. Sam papa mu na mo pese ba MPP no. Ensim awadiem, ensim maso, ensim abusuem. Sam papa mu na mo pese mo di nipa ba ko achi keke. Adi kuoni ni na ko shamu na mu no. Nyankopon ma sa confusion na ensisi wa mo da mu. Mo ne mo kunu no mo de da confusion na ensisi. Na mo ma so nya den se me ma na so. Because mo ni ma de papa. And mo nyam hu ni papa. Betty deputy minister keke, serve your people. Who say what you fuck, man? It's gonna me see, man. You only see money. You want to be president, but unyania and your development now, Jino, Ojun Nkoaa, Eniska. And to crowd the Sabio, oh, where Jumana, Kabama, the Edu Babia. Now, I said, Ojo Hokrani, yeah, ma'am, yeah, you know they are making. We X-rated one. O kowechi to me then they was on the and the kowechi then they go back to work with this car ban. Office only power the work Ghana better first. Answer some of you. Mon na de ho nkwachire. Mon na de ho nkwachire. Obi o ka kire so na ne yere have intimacy. Spirit are connected. Things and no things now. At that particular moment, we a bema would done something else. Who your bar would done something else, no spiritual implication, no. He is willing to jeopardize that for money. And you fucking think he's going to go to the world market and get you grants and stuff freely without he getting some of it? Are you people not thinking? He doesn't want to be president. He want to be the popular guy in Ghana. He want to be the person who be that is what he want to do. Then to come to me. Monsa Brian Champon, Monsa to me, Monsa all the prominent, and you could drop on Krumanuni now, boom, break your money now, and yes, say, young mayor, there is no MPP. What's a horse? Brian Champon made his intentions known. One year Judas, 1 year Nicodemus. Brian Champon has made his intentions known. Intimate and Hame. And yet, dear, what's one of your new net 6 months here got to about say a video bay. Now 6 months no dear Bemuno. Or be 4 years a Jumo dear campaign uncle blast. Man farm and I be a bit with you.